about the news. The next step in the video is to turn this basic door panel. If you'd go into the catalog, this would be a basic door panel. We're going to make it into a deluxe panel, which has the reflector, this little door handle bezel, and then this upper hockey stick piece of trim. So let's get started. So I picked out the better of the two pieces of trim I have. I have it standing up on wood just so it's not sitting on those little stakes. And I wiped it off and now I'm gonna try to buff it out a little bit. And I have the little Dremel buffing wheels, but I forgot I got these from Eastwood. These little mini buffers, so they still go on the same shank like that you use for the Dremel one, but this one's more of a loose wound wheel, so I'll see how that one works with the white compound. That doesn't feel like there's really any scratches in it that are too deep, so I think it just kind of needs shined up. So I'm done polishing this lower hockey stick, and I put this other one I had next to it that I didn't polish or clean up. Just put it side by side to get a little comparison so you can see the difference. Next I'm going to bend up this top, like the door panel whiskers or the top trim. I just wanted to show you the one to the left is the reproduction, the one on the right is the original one. So I'm going to throw it in the workmate, line this up next to it, and just carefully bend it little by little and see how close we can get it. I got the other one pretty close, so we'll see how we do with round two. So I finished bending up the left piece of trim, and I think it turned out good. I'll clamp this new piece on. Once that dries, I'll clamp it on probably with the binder clips, and then I will lay this one right next to it because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 locations for staples. It probably doesn't matter where you put them. I mean, you could probably put more if you really wanted to, but I figured I'll just match what they did. So I'll clamp it on and just drill my first hole, then use a staple to locate the second one, work the whole way down. Then we're on to putting the trim on it and be ready to install. Both door panels are now done. The driver panel has the holes poked in it, like I mentioned, for mounting and for the other miscellaneous things. I didn't poke them in this one yet, but that'll be the next step. I'll do that whenever I mount it. So the passenger door is all finished up. I have the covers on, tightened up all the screws, and I have my plastic vapor barrier on. So the door panel is now ready to go. I used this duck seal to go around the edge. I ran out of butyl rubber, so I bought this at the hardware store. Just ran it along the edge, and then ran it along all the openings and used some tape to cover up any other random holes. I just had to trim a little bit off, but now put the door panel on. So I finished up the door panel and it turned out awesome. Passenger one is also done, but I'm really happy with the way these guys turned out. I just need to clean them up a little bit just because I haven't really cleaned it since I installed them, more since it's been in storage, but it turned out really good. Just very happy with the fit and finish of the door panels and everything. I touched up a little bit of paint for my install, but it went well. Just wanted to show you the finished product. And these are just as nice, if not nicer, than the $1,000 door panels you can buy brand new. I have probably less than $200 in these panels, so definitely money well spent, because I could spend it elsewhere. But these guys turned out great, and that's a wrap on that project. That's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I have a few more videos coming out on the interior of the Vette, so be sure to check those out, and I'll catch you guys later.